We've been working with Linden-McKinley STEM Academy, 3 teachers who've rolled up their sleeves and started with a pilot. It's not about some magic fixed program or technology. It's about how do you take a teacher with all that they have in their toolbox and give them the methods to teach in a radically different way using real problems in the community so that students learn and are prepared with the kinds of skills they need in this crazily changed world.
Linden-McKinley is the neighborhood school of some of the tougher parts of Columbus.
It's exhausting, but it's rewarding. The kids are kids no matter where you are.
Sometimes our students see the bar as that's what to get to, not to reach higher than that, even though they could. When I approached them and said, okay, now we're gonna do a huge project that's very involved, there was a lot of pushback at first.
It's just vegetables and fruits. That's it. What's the problem with it?
At first, no one really wanted to do this because it was just we're all about to graduate and they're giving us this problem about why don't kids like vegetables? And, a lot of it's that's not our problem.
My name is Maggie Griffin, and we are at Waterman Farm right now, and we're on the Unity Fridge program plot, and we grow all sorts of fruits and vegetables. So everything here on our plot gets donated to different organizations that serve people living in food deserts or dealing with food insecurity.
There was literally 3 of us last year who was trying to plant this entire 1/3 of an acre. That's probably one of the biggest obstacles we have, is making sure that we have enough volunteers. That's one of our biggest problems. And another one too is we work with the Early College Academy, and getting them excited about taking the produce is kind of a big obstacle.
Your expectations of your students, that's the driving force of what they do. With this, it's just we have a big thing to solve. Sorry, this person is kept up at night with this problem, so we should be too.
I would say what's different from a lot of those other projects, you pretty much already have a idea of what you're going to do. We had to look beyond that, so instead of just look for the first thing we seen, we look deeper than that.
One of the greatest surprises and benefits I saw was that students were willing to stay after school, that students were actually willing to work on academic tasks and to see each other. They were building relationships that they didn't have. That's what I think every teacher is looking for. We're looking for students who learn to develop a lifelong love of learning.
Collaboration. That was the big thing. To work together and brainstorm, that was enough to get people to be I'm good at making graphics, or I'm good at research. That's gonna be what they need at any job, any school.
Everybody really came together and everybody's finding this, fact or this information. Everybody's doing surveys, doing crafts, and it's all coming together. So that was really pretty cool.
Our kids need something more than looking through a textbook. They even need more than just what I personally can offer them. I don't want them to be able to just regurgitate information that I've been giving them. We need them to actually come up with it themselves, and for them to be successful outside of this neighborhood, they really need those skills.